Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a T6 model, it's 2016 model, and I'm going to show you how you can reset it for yourself manually. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support. Use the comment area to give us comments, and any questions are also welcome. You can use the comment area as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. When we turn on the ignition, as you can see, it says oil service now, like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can reset that. We turn off the ignition, and then there is a button over here, the 0.0 button, this button. You press that button, keep pressing that, and while you press that, turn the ignition on to the second position. So press the button, turn the ignition on, let go the button, and then you'll get a question mark over here. Do you really want to reset oil service? Yes, we are pretty sure. And then you have to use this OK button over here. Once you have done that, it gives you a signal that the oil has been reset. So we have to check it, turn off the ignition, turn the ignition on, and the indicator for oil reset is gone now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.